Hello guys, so today I will show you how to get and evolve Griffin. So this is like his evolution process is just like Ains. So you can get Griffin in the banner. So just wait for him to show here. And upon summoning Griffin, if you get Griffin, you will get this Periapt of the King. So again, like Aizen, like Ains or the Supreme Being, you just need to sacrifice units for him to evolve. But there is also another way for him to evolve that doesn't require sacrificing unit, but it is a lot of grinding. So the very first requirement for Griffin is to get him to 7,500 takedowns again. And then after that, you want to go to the infinite. Let me in. Here in the infinite snowy kingdom. You can get portals here. The portal you're aiming for is Eclipse Portal. So I really recommend you to join other groups. So ask for help in the Discord Anime Adventures. They are doing infinites there, or you can just find people hosting eclipse portals. The portals look like this, like that. Let's use it. It looks like that. But I will show you how I do the infinite snowy town. So again, like I said, I really recommend you not soloing this because this is really hard for those of you that is new to anime adventures or just beginning in the game. So you really need the help of others. So ask for help in the Discord Anime Adventures, or you can find people hosting Eclipse portals in there too, in the Discord of Anime Adventures. So why do you need portals? So you need portals to get sacrificial eggs. Because here, if you use this Periapt of the King, let's use it. Here you will see Griffin fallen. You will need to either sacrifice units or use the eggs of sacrifice. So if you sacrifice a unit, it will give 4.2% of ascension. So let's try. Let's try sacrificing a useless unit or an outdated unit. I really recommend you to sacrifice units that are outdated. Don't sacrifice Vego. Don't sacrifice these new units. Only sacrifice your outdated units or your duplicates like this. Or there is a free unit here. Just don't sacrifice the shiny because it's like wasteful. There's a free mythic unit here. You can sacrifice them. And here, you can sacrifice those too. But beware, sometimes the Battle Pass units are useful, like Oshi. She is originally a Battle Pass unit. So let's try sacrificing this Devil Boss or Javolo. Sacrifice Devil Boss. And as you can see, we gained 4.2 Ascension. If we sacrifice Egg of Sacrifice, you can only get 0.5% per eggs. So if you have 0.0 or 0% ascension, you will need 200%. I mean, you will need 200 eggs to get to the 100% ascension. Because if you use like 7% on Griffin ascension, 7% ascension, he will just eat your Griffin and it will not be successful. So you need it to be at 100%. So yes, this is another grindy unit aside from Ains because like Ains because you sacrifice a lot of units and a lot of time. So let's discuss why do you need Griffin? Why do you need Griffin? In my opinion, Griffin will never be out of the meta because he have two modes. First mode is this, the damage mode, and second mode is the buff mode. So let's demonstrate that here in this video. Let's head into play and infinite planet green. Play here. So let's farm first. Okay, so we're done farming. I maxed the farms because I will need a lot of sacrificing units here. So first, let's do the support version of Griffin. So let's put it here. If you spawn him, you will see the sacrifice button. So if you sacrifice the support units like Wendy and Orwin, even speed carts and Bulma is considered as a support unit. So don't put Griffin near your farms because he will just eat them. So sacrifice, you will see 6%. He is already 6%. We need 100% of sacrificing support units. So the fastest way to do this is to upgrade your support units to the max and then sacrifice them. See, 49%. Now let's just keep on doing that until we reach 100%. Max, 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 max. And then sacrifice 70%. Put. I don't have enough money. Come on. I will just time lapse this. And there you go, 113%. If you manage to uh, if you manage to go over the 100%, the excess percent will be converted to his support. As you can see, Griffin reincarnation. He will support all of the units that you placed in the map like this, plus 100% attack. And then the other form is damage. So we will just need to sacrifice damage units. Let's do it here. And I only bring cream. So let's max this. And then sacrifice only 22%. This will take a lot of time. So there you go, 105%. He is full AoE, look at that. Big AoE. I think you can only place 3 Griffins, 2 damage but only 1 support Griffin. In order to go over that damage, you have to break through 100%, like 110 or 130%. So let's try that. So the trick in breaking breaking through the 100% of Griffin is to try to go until 99%. 95, 99 or 98, 97, I think one more damage unit, 99, there we go. And then we will max all three of these screams and sacrifice them. Griffin's animation looks sick. Look at that. Damn. Batman. And look at the support unit. Support Griffin. Bro, he's a pretty boy. He looks so cool. I hope he gets cosmetic. And there you go. So we maxed 3 creams and our Griffin here is at 99%. So let's see how many percent will he gain when we sacrifice these 3 creams. Damn, 352. 352%. So this one have 396 damage, and while this one 700k. Damn. So yeah, as you can see, I think Griffin will never be lost in the meta. He will always be in the meta for support. Griffin will be always meta support because of this. So that's all for Griffin, guys. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye.